Hello everybody, today we'll be unboxing the OnePlus Nord 2 5G phone. I purchased this phone from Amazon.in website. If you look at the back, we see information like the model number, the color of the phone, the specifications which is 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM, the price of the phone which is 29,999, the import, export, date of manufacture, etc. On removing the outer covering, we see this black box, and now we'll have a look at the content of the box. If you open the box, we see one phone which is of gray color. Apart from the phone, there is another packet. Now it has a couple of things, more than a couple of things. We'll have a look at these things later on. First, we'll have a look at the adapter which they have provided. So it is 65-watt RAP charger adapter which they have given, RAP charging, and the cable is the red cable of OnePlus, which is USB to Type-C cable which they have given. It is the typical one which is there in the market. Now opening the other package, we see in that package there is a SIM ejector tool which they have given. It is the normal SIM ejector tool which the phone companies provide with all the phone. And then there is a letter from the team. So I've not gone through the content of the letter. Maybe I'll go through the letter later on. Apart from the letter, they have provided a membership card. So what they are saying, this is the Red Cable Club membership. It has something to do with OnePlus. I have not yet registered this membership, but I'll do that later on, definitely, for sure. And then they have given instruction booklets which they call the quick start guide, and some OnePlus and Nord stickers along with it. Apart from these stickers, they have provided a transparent case of the phone. I have been using this case for a couple of days. It's fine, but I don't know how sturdy the case is. Now looking at the phone, coming back to the phone, there is an outer covering, a protective outer covering. On removing the covering, we see that there is a Gorilla Glass front and back which they have given, and the frame, the body of the phone is of plastic, and the front and back is Gorilla Glass. On side, if you see, there is an alert slider, the power button. On the other side, there are volume rockers. If at the bottom you see, there is a SIM tray, and then there is a Type-C port and also the stereo speakers. At the top there is mic. At the back, if you see, it is a grey color Gorilla Glass matte finish. So now this back is fingerprint resistance. I don't see any fingerprints on this phone using this back. Now let's set up the phone. The setup was very easy, very seamless transfer of content from my old phone to new phone happened. And if you look at the phone after the setup, it has the OnePlus UI, typical one. We'll have a look at the camera specifications now. It has 3 rear cameras, which is 50 megapixel main, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel mono lens camera. On the front, the selfie camera is 32 megapixel camera. Now the photos which I took with this phone are very clear, very precise. Maybe I can share the photos later on which were taken by this phone. If we look at the apps, so there are pre-installed apps along which came with the setup. If you want, you can remove the apps, and the storage which these apps took was 18GB of the 128GB which they had provided. Talking about the display, it has the typical display setting like light and dark mode, brightness adjustment. Refresh rate is 90 Hertz. I have Samsung FE phone which has a refresh rate 128 Hertz, so I find 90 Hertz a little less, but it's okay. It's not bad, it's fine. Now talking about the battery. The battery is 4500 mAh, which I believe is a good battery life which they have provided for this phone. If you want to know about more details on this phone, about the specification, I'll provide all of them in the description which is below the video. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share my video as much as possible. Thank you for stopping by today. Have a nice day.